Hey guys, welcome back. This is Martin Mace with Rate One Financial Incorporated here in Pasadena, California. Welcome back to Mortgage Mind. Today we're at tip and trick number 12, and it's entitled Using Seasonal Income to Qualify. Seasonal income. What is seasonal income? So seasonal income is income that you receive on a regular basis year in, year out, but you don't necessarily earn it or receive it consistently throughout the year from January 1st to December 31st. A typical example would be, let's say you work for Macy's every November and December, because that's the busiest time of the year for them. They got Black Friday, you got Christmas time, and you work for them those 2 months out of the year, every year. You've been working for them for years, and you're gonna continue working them for those years into the future. That's considered seasonal income, and it would make sense for a lender to give you credit for that income, in addition to any other income that you know you earn that you could be using for qualifying income. So if you have a regular job and you get seasonal income, tell your lender about that. They're gonna ask you anyway, but know that you can use seasonal income that you have a 2-year history of receiving, and that is likely to continue for the next 3 years. It'll help you qualify for a larger loan. So hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next tip and trick. And if you like what we're doing, please follow, like, and share on social media. Have a great day. Maybe as a second job, well, shoot, I screwed up. I'm gonna have to redo that one. I'll just keep going.